Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best hardwood mops is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining the beauty and cleanliness of your hardwood floors. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of hardwood floor mops, exploring their features, comparing different models, and helping you find the perfect one to keep your floors sparkling. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust or stubborn grime, we've got you covered. Number 5. JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket Set. This innovative system features separate wash and dry chambers. It effortlessly removes dirt and squeezes out excess water, making cleaning a breeze. This hands-free design keeps your hands clean and dry. The flat squeeze mop and bucket set simplifies your cleaning routine. It reduces your effort, allowing the bucket to handle the work. Just insert and pull the mop for easy and effective cleaning. The 360 degrees rotating mop head reaches every corner and hard-to-reach areas. The adjustable handle extends from 26.5 to 60.0 inches. It's perfect for cleaning walls and other high places. All components fit neatly inside the bucket for easy storage. It takes up minimal space when not in use. The wash side has a capacity of around 6.5 liters, offering a large capacity in a compact body. The set includes a 13.0 by 4.9 inch mop head and 4 microfiber mop pad refills. These pads provide strong water absorption for both wet and dry cleaning. For best results, replace the refills every 1 to 2 months. What we like? This mop features a unique 2-tank system for washing and drying, making cleaning a breeze. It separates the dirty water from the clean, ensuring your floors are truly clean. If you're looking for an efficient and hygienic cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say? The wash and wring dry is really perfect and the pads are very durable. It's also small and easy to store in the bathroom closet but has a wide mop surface. This mop gives me the clean of hands and knees without the knees. I enjoy it and it works great. Number 4. Bona Spray Mop Premium. Introducing the Bona Spray Mop. This mop makes cleaning your hardwood floors incredibly fast and simple. Just spray and mop, it's that easy. The extra-large mop pads ensure you can cover more surface area with each pass. This feature helps you finish mopping quickly and efficiently. You can easily refill this mop with any economy-size Bona floor cleaner or concentrate. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. The residue-free, fast-drying solution removes dust, dirt, and grime. It reveals the natural shine of your floors without leaving any streaks. The formula contains 95% USDA certified bio-based content and is Safer Choice certified. It's pH neutral and safe for all unwaxed, unoiled, polyurethane finished wood floors. This mop features a durable and lightweight design with a secondary grip and flexible rubber corners. It also includes a retractable hook for easy storage. The included microfiber cleaning pad has a patented dual-zone design. It lifts and removes stubborn dirt and grime effectively. The microfiber pad is made of 90% PCR material. What we like? This mop bucket set simplifies your cleaning routine with its self-cleaning design, keeping you away from dirty water. Its compact design also ensures easy storage. If you want a hassle-free and space-saving cleaning experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say? Bona Hardwood Floor Spray Mop is perfect and exactly what my hardwood floors needed. I just used the Bona Hardwood Floor refill container and it has never failed me. I've had this mop for over a year now and it works just as good now as it did when I first got it. The pad both cleans and dries the wood pretty fast, and there's no discernible residue, stickiness, left behind. The mop is lightweight yet sturdy. Best mop ever. More ergonomic and easy to use than Swiffer's, larger size, very lightweight. Number 3. Bissell SpinWave Corded Spin Mop Cleaner 20393. This powerful corded spin mop removes tough messes effortlessly. It utilizes 100% machine-powered scrubbing pads to deep clean your floors. You'll be amazed at how easily it tackles tough messes. This product is safe for all sealed floors, including wood, tile, and linoleum. It protects your floors while lifting sticky spills and dried stains. You can trust it to keep your floors looking their best. With the press button dispenser, you can deliver the formula exactly where you need it. There's no wasted solution, ensuring you get the most out of every cleaning session. It's convenient and efficient. The Easy Glide swivel head allows you to clean under furniture and around baseboards without bending. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around your home. It's designed for your convenience. The system includes 6 washable pads and 3 travel size formulas. This provides you with 6 complete cleaning sessions. It's a complete cleaning solution. What we like. This mop features a 360-degree rotating head and an adjustable handle, making it perfect for reaching any corner. It's also suitable for wet and dry use, offering versatility. If you like a mop that can reach every nook and cranny, this is the one for you. What people say. The mop head is very absorbent. The mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The swivel head makes it easy to get into corners. Number 2. VanDuck Bona Mop Microfiber Cleaning Pads, 3-pack. These microfiber mop pads are designed to perfectly fit your Bona mop. They provide a seamless and efficient cleaning experience, making your floors shine effortlessly. Specifically designed for hardwood floors, this mop pad is also compatible with spray mops. It ensures a gentle yet effective clean, leaving your floors spotless and well-maintained. This versatile mop refill is suitable for both wet and dry mopping. It effectively tackles spills and dust, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution for your home. These pads are machine washable and reusable, offering convenience and sustainability. Simply toss them in the washing machine for easy cleaning and reuse. The replacement pads measure 18.14 inches by 5.14 inches, perfectly fitting your Bona spray mop. It's the ideal size for efficient and thorough cleaning. Made with materials used by the professional cleaning industry, this mop pad guarantees superior cleaning performance. It's a reliable choice for achieving professional-grade results in your home. What we like. This spray mop is designed for quick and easy cleaning with its spray and mop feature. Its fast-drying solution ensures your floors are ready to use in no time. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to clean your hardwood floors, this is the perfect choice. What people say. So durable, we used these microfiber mop pads for several years even on grouted tiles. Finally wore them out. Easy to attach and remove from mop head, toss them into the washer to clean. Good as a duster, mop or grab for a quick cleanup. These pads with their size fits like a dream on my 2 mops and works amazingly, cleaning and absorbing a lot more than many big named mops. They are not quite the same size as the Bona pad that came with my mop. They are just slightly smaller, but this means they actually work better, because they don't fold at the edge as you mop. They cling to the bottom of the mop better. They have better padding, so it's easier to scrub press harder with them. They stand up well to cleaning in the washing machine, and don't lose their thickness. They are lasting better than the original Bona pad. Number 1. Microfiber Spray Mop for Hardwood Floor Cleaning. This spray mop is designed for easy cleaning. It has both wet and dry functions, making it perfect for any cleaning task. This mop is suitable for housewives, the elderly, parents, pet owners, cleaners, and students. It's designed to make cleaning easier for everyone. The mop works on multiple surfaces, including hardwood, tile, wood, laminate, vinyl, marble, and ceramic. It's versatile for all your floor cleaning needs. It comes with machine washable and reusable microfiber pads. These pads are also compatible with Swiffer Power Mop. The 360-degree swivel head allows it to reach under furniture and into tight spaces. This feature ensures a thorough clean every time. The mop has a refillable bottle, allowing you to add your preferred cleaning solution or just water. This gives you control over your cleaning process. This mop is suitable for both residential and commercial cleaning. Use it in your kitchen, bathroom, restaurant, office, apartment, or studio. What we like. This corded spin mop offers deep cleaning without the need for scrubbing, making it ideal for tough messes. It's safe for all sealed floors and comes with reusable pads. If you have sealed hard floors and want a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution, you should consider it. What people say. This microfiber spray mop makes floor cleaning quick and efficient. The spray function evenly distributes cleaning solution, while the microfiber pad picks up dirt, dust, and hair with ease. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and leaves floors streak-free. The design is simple and you can do your floors fast and with ease. The sprayer works by spraying in front of where you will mop, and that works quite well. The pads are super easy to clean and replace, and are very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.